5 months in a row, the near closed the red one. October, November, December, January, and February. The March we close the same like the BTC, just in a tiny green candles, 1%, 1.5%. So we can't count this like some positive months for the crypto in general because of the United States and Iran. And April, I hope it will be the bullish one. So previous Aprils was all reds. And I hope, guys, finally, but of course it was the on this one. 2025, it was a bad month for the crypto. 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021. That's why I hope if we close the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years in a row red, we need to change that pattern. If not, then the crypto is a pure scam. We will see. We will see how it goes. But for the futures, guys, position, I would like to talk about local zones because the global targets, you know, from the last videos. And here, what I like, what I don't like, I add my alerts at $1.02. I don't think so. We will drop to that targets. Now it's $1.20. And if we will, my alerts triggered is 15% drop from current prices. And maybe I will open the futures position. So this is my plan. I shared with you my plan. This is a order block on a daily or not on a week. No, yes, it's on a 12 time frame. 12 time frame order block, this one. And we saw the signal to sell. Usually before the main correction, we need to form the three candles up, like 3 rise patterns. So we go like 1, 2, correction, and we can form another one, 3 to the take profit line. It's $1.62. Weak candle, it's we can test even the exit line $1.82. So this is it. This is the order block what I will work with if we get a chance to drop. I already showed you the 2 positions what I opened today. It's Arbitrum from current prices and ICP. Algo I already closed, unfortunately. Futures spot I'm still holding. And I think here I will be more than happy to open the trade. The buy line on the 12 time frame now for near it's 81. And like you can see, guys, we changed the dynamic. It's a positive signal. This is a break of structure. If we need to talk about uptrend structure, we need to break this high. So everything what is $2, it's really extremely bullish. Be ready for a potential 15% drop. After that, maybe we will reversal. Of course, I wish to see the reversal move from even now. If we count, we can close the take profit. If we count, for example, the FIB, just the basic FIB here, from the last impulse to the top, we can count like this one or count like this one. So if we count from the impulse, we form the correction to 61. Basically, it's enough. But if we go and test the 12-hour time frame order block, yes, this can be $1.03, $1.07. This zone, like usual. And with the targets, guys, it's 27 zone and 61 low FIB, $1.85 is more than real to see. That's why, guys, if you want to open trade now, for example, you should be ready for a second leverage at 30% drop. It's kind of not a good risk ratio. That's why I better wait the order block or the skip the position. Now, let's trade on. Sell, no signal to buy back. I mean buy. But no signals to sell on a daily time frame. 2 signals in a row was confirmed. Daily buy, and just recommendation. Close position. We close position. We open it by signals here. And now you can wait this new signal. Oh, here on 4-hour time frame, we get a signals to buy, but it's 4-hour time frame. So still no signals to close some long position on a daily. 12 time frame daily here. This is like accumulation on an ADZ indicator. This is accumulation based on direction indicator. By the way, there is some news. This is news what we deserve. It's a new protocol being integrated with a Rabbit wallet. So, you know, unfortunately, we're in that market stage where nothing, some small marketing news, not a big news, not affect the price at all. We need some narrative. We need some new meta in crypto, like it was with NFT, like it was with AI in 2023. I don't like gamify. We need something new, like real world asset sector. But I can say RWAs and perform or drive the crypto to the moon like NFT did. No, but we need some narrative. So this is accumulation based on ADZ. On a weekly time frame, of course, guys, a lot of altcoins in accumulation zone. It's for the spot, of course, but we talk now only about this block. So the range between the $2 and $1.20 is so important for us. Money power market mode, the last indicators here was like 1, 2, 3 days in a row, money in. So it's good. So the big guys in near. When they will gonna take profit, nobody knows. So you can add alerts and wait. How could they take profit from the trades? This is a daily time frame. This one, optimism and a hopium. So it's not a aphoria, not even close. And of course, disbelief correlation on a weekly and good moment, guys. Take a look. We rebound from a correction to 61 level FEEP, and now still in capitulation disbelief. So it's good. It's really good, guys. So my recommendation, I'm not open position now. I'm waiting this drop. If not, I'm just skip because I'm already into positions. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade as my customer said, and that this same alerts like I did to get that type of notification, additional tools and additional signals for your trades to increase your win rate, just write me the DM and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.